I'm gonna go take out some chicken eggs, bruh. I just came to my house and I'm made to do hard farm labor. We're going to the farm.
Not even a teeny tiny tip of
So
farm labor.
this is part of our farm, as we can see there. And hopefully it's not too windy. I don't think it's that windy. Ja, ek sal nie vir mamma so op die online sit die. Oh my goodness me. If this chicken attacks me, I'm done. I'm done. I've never taken chicken eggs before. Because you're basically taking their children. My dog came with me. Doggy dog. He's like, yo, let me eat some chicken. Okay. Chica, how do you feel about taking some chickens?
No, wait, this is not. Go.
No, not taking chicken eggs, sorry. I meant to feel. Bruh, I'm standing on this side.
All over eggs at the bottom of the plate.
I'm telling you, if a chicken attacks me, you becoming KFC.
When she has chicks,
Hello, I'm a chicken.
oh no, there's a super baby.
Oh, that one's looking at me.
Don't mind.
Stay back. You're making noise.
That means the chicken don't lay eggs anymore. She's done.
Ah, see, look at this.
Wow.
Fresh eggies.
Fresh farm egg.